first here, we have the mathematical operators. So all formulas in Excel must begin with an equal sign. This is because the cell contains or is equal to the formula and the value it calculates. So pag nag-input po tayo ng formula sa formula bar, it always starts po with an equal sign. So katulad ng sa math, Excel also uses the standard operator for formulas, plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, forward slash for division, and carry for exponents. And then challenge 1. So let us try. Yan. So I'll just present yung challenge. Yan. So basic, let's start with the basic. So ito po. Sabi niya dito, click the challenge tab, yan. Create a formula in cell D4 that multiplies the quantity by the price per unit in C4. So, nasan po dito yung D4? Yan. So, itong D4 daw, we should create a formula. So, dito po sa formula bar, type natin equals, and then we click this B4 times the price per unit and then equals. Yan. And then, as mentioned kanina, number 3, use the fill handle to copy the formula in D4 to cells D5 to 7. Yan. So, ito po yung fill handle natin, yung konting arrow dito sa baba. I-copy ay drag and drop lang po natin pababa yan. And then it will automatically copy the formula that we've formulated here. Yan. And then edit the formula for the total in D8. So ito po, D and then 8. D8. So it also adds cell to D7. So this was not edited po, no? Pero nung first, wala yung D7. So, add na po yung D7 and then 162. Yan, so 42. Yan. So when you're finished, your workbook should look like this. Yan. Yan, so moving on po. Order of operations. Yan. So when there's more than one operation in a formula, the order of operation tells Excel which operation to calculate for first. So same concept po no sa school, sa math. We use the PEMDAS method. Yan, so Excel calculates formulas based on the following order of operations. So PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis here. E stands for exponential. M and D stands for multiplication and division. And then AS stands for addition and subtraction. So if you're not aware po, konting reminder, so PEMDAS is a rule that helps us remember the order in which to solve math problems that have multiple operations. Yan, so ang una niya pong, so according sa PEMDAS na concept, ang una niyang sinosolve ay yung nasa parenthesis. So it solves anything inside the parenthesis first. And then next is the exponents. Next na i-calculate yung exponent. And then multiplication and division from left to right. So whichever comes first, yan. And then addition and subtraction from left to right din in the order they appear. So in short, parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, addition, and subtraction. Yan. Moving on po. Yan, so sa example natin dito, the Excel followed the order of operation, and the first adds the values inside the parentheses. So inad niya muna yung D3, D4, D5, and then it multiplied the value by the tax rate, yung 0.075. And the result will show that, yan, next po. Sa ganito, 20.56. Pero kapag wala siyang parenthesis, dun sa next slide, yan, kung mapapansin nyo, kung wala siyang parenthesis, ibang ang layo ng result, naging 126. So, if the parenthesis is not included, the multiplication is calculated first, and the result is incorrect. So, yan. So, sa paggawa natin ng formulas, always include yung parenthesis kasi napaka-importante yan. Kasi yung Excel, yun nga, it follows the PEMDAS method.